Hey teachers, let's play some basketball. Use this game on Google Slides with your class to review any topic you want. And if your class has a test or a quiz coming up, or if you simply just want to have fun playing a classroom game, definitely add this to your lessons. Let's take a look at how this works. You can use this basketball game in a lot of different ways. One of the ways to use this with your class is to split them into teams. This resource allows you to insert up to 44 questions. Of course, if you want to play a shorter game with less questions, you certainly can do that too. The game functions like a real basketball game with 4 quarters, and each quarter has 11 questions to it. Before playing this with your class, the setup is pretty simple. All you have to do is type in the questions and answers that you want to ask your students. You will insert the questions here on the question slides that you see on Google Slides. Each question is worth either 1, 2, or 3 points. Obviously, if you wish, you can make the 3-point questions the hardest and the 1-point questions the easiest. After you insert the questions, you can play this game with your class. When you're ready to play, enter slideshow mode on Google Slides and start on the first quarter. You will see the court appear on screen like you see here. The first team will take their turn and they get to decide which spot on the floor they want to attempt. So they can select 1, 2, or 3. And if they get this question correct, they will earn those amount of points. So for example, if the first team decided that they wanted to attempt the 2-point shot with the purple circle around it, you would click on that, and then you would click on the screen to reveal the question. How students give their answer is completely up to you. If you want students to write it on paper or write it on the board, or if you want them to say it out loud, that's completely your choice. When you're ready to check the answer, continue to click on the screen and the correct answer will show. If students were correct, you can give them the amount of points that they earned, 1, 2, or 3 points. Make sure you keep track of this by writing the score on the board. If students did not give the correct answer, they earn no points. When you're ready to move on, click on the box on the right side of the screen like you see here, and this will take you back to the first quarter court. Now, the next team will take their turn, and you repeat the same process as before. After you complete all the questions on the first quarter, you can then click on the arrow on the bottom of the screen, and this will take you to the second quarter. This will bring you to a new set of questions, and you continue the game just like before. If you and your students are sports fans, they will definitely have a ton of fun using this. This is a great way to add some fun competition into your lessons, while also reviewing and learning all the material they need to know for your class. Try out the basketball game with your students, and I wish you and your class a wonderful time.